In a world where space exploration once seemed like something out of a science fiction novel, Elon Musk and his company, SpaceX, are turning fiction into reality. Recently, SpaceX revealed a groundbreaking innovation that has left even the experts at NASA astonished: the most advanced space suits ever created. But what exactly makes these SpaceX space suits so jaw-dropping? What mind-bending features have Musk and his team incorporated into these cutting-edge garments? And most importantly, could these suits be a game-changer in our quest to explore the great unknown? Stick around as we decode the secrets of these otherworldly suits and delve into the boundless potential they promise. Picture yourself floating in the vastness of outer space. It's a surreal image, isn't it? Now imagine the brave astronauts who venture into this extraordinary realm. They're clad in their intriguing space suits, which some might marvel at for their futuristic design, while others might critique their appearance like they are on a cosmic runway. But these suits are far more than just fashion statements. They are lifelines. Spacesuits are crucial for the survival of astronauts. They provide vital oxygen, ensuring that astronauts can breathe and survive in the inhospitable environment of space. But that's just the beginning. These suits are designed to withstand extreme conditions, shielding astronauts from the harsh realities of the cosmos, such as the vacuum of space and the extreme temperatures that come with it. Whether in Earth's orbit, the Moon's orbit, or on their way back home, spacesuits are the guardians of astronauts' safety throughout their incredible journey. For decades, NASA has been the undisputed leader in space exploration, known for outfitting space explorers with top-notch technology. But hold on, Elon Musk's SpaceX has stepped onto the scene, giving NASA a run for its money in the space tech game. The spotlight is now on SpaceX's latest creation, an extraordinary spacesuit that has left NASA astonished. Elon Musk, often dubbed the Tesla boy for his work with electric cars, has unleashed a breakthrough that could potentially open the door to countless future possibilities in space travel. Space travel has captivated our imaginations for centuries, and every new revelation about this cosmic journey sparks curiosity and suspense. However, behind the scenes, it's not just about dreams. Extensive research and complex science turn these dreams into reality. A major example of this incredible technology is the space suit, a crucial element that makes it possible for astronauts to venture beyond Earth's atmosphere. In February 2015, SpaceX embarked on the development of a revolutionary spacesuit for astronauts to use inside the Dragon 2 spacecraft. Traditionally, space stories, whether from science fiction or movies, have always centered around spacesuits. However, SpaceX's latest creation has pushed spacesuit technology to new heights, shocking even NASA. This new high-tech spacesuit from SpaceX boasts features including touchscreen compatibility and adaptive heat control. It's a perfect blend of style and functionality, challenging the conventional perception of spacesuit design. So, what exactly makes SpaceX's new spacesuits so special? Let's dive into the features that have left even NASA in awe. First and foremost, these suits are designed with touchscreen compatibility in mind. In the Dragon 2 spacecraft, astronauts need to interact with complex systems, and the ability to use touchscreens seamlessly is a game-changer. Imagine trying to tap on a screen with bulky gloves. Frustrating, right? SpaceX has solved this problem by incorporating electroconductive threads in the gloves, allowing astronauts to interact with the spacecraft's internal controls with ease. But that's not all. The SpaceX suits also come with adaptive heat control, ensuring that astronauts remain comfortable regardless of the temperature fluctuations in space. The suits are designed to maintain a perfect balance between aesthetics and functionality. Achieving this balance was no easy feat, but as history shows, when Elon Musk's name graces the headlines, groundbreaking results are to be expected. The suits have undergone rigorous testing, even at double the vacuum pressure astronauts would experience in space. This level of testing ensures that the suits are not just stylish, but also incredibly reliable. SpaceX's commitment to pushing the limits in both design and functionality has once again shown through in these spacesuits. NASA, known for its high standards and technological advancements, now faces a challenge with its spacesuit supply. The current NASA spacesuits decay more quickly, and the high costs associated with repairs or replacements have become a financial burden. Enter SpaceX, with its state-of-the-art spacesuits that not only offer advanced features, but also provide a more cost-effective solution. Elon Musk recently took to social media to unveil the first picture of SpaceX's spacesuit, emphasizing that it's not just a mock-up, but a fully functional piece. This has undoubtedly shaken things up at NASA. The suit's rigorous testing and their ability to balance aesthetics with functionality have set a new benchmark in spacesuit technology. NASA now faces the reality that fewer U.S. astronauts may have access to these essential pieces of gear if they stick with the old models. To truly understand the marvel of SpaceX's spacesuits, we need to take a peek inside the SpaceX Suit Lab in Hawthorne, California. It's here that the magic happens. The design and production of these suits are not done in isolation. Instead, they are part of a cohesive and technologically advanced system that includes the Dragon spacecraft itself. Chris Trigg, the manager of crew equipment and spacesuits at SpaceX, emphasizes the interconnectedness of the suit with the vehicle. The spacesuit is not merely an accessory. It's an integral part of the crew's safety and functionality within the spacecraft. Crafted in the same facility as the Dragon system, SpaceX's open-plan organizational structure promotes collaboration among team members. This interconnected approach ensures that the spacesuit aligns seamlessly with the Dragon spacecraft. As astronauts settle into their seats inside the capsule, they connect the suit to the spacecraft through a linked cable. This cable supplies everything the suit needs, from avionics to communication equipment, and even the necessary gases for pressurization and cooling. The spacesuit is custom-made for each crew member, ensuring a perfect fit and optimizing comfort, protection, and efficiency. Maria Sudin, a leading expert in spacesuit design, highlights the meticulous attention to detail in these suits. For example, the gloves and helmets are created with 3D printed components, allowing astronauts to use touchscreens seamlessly while providing critical protection against potential hazards in space. The introduction of SpaceX's advanced space suits raises exciting possibilities for the future. While these suits were designed for use within the Dragon spacecraft, their adaptability and success in real-world space missions open the door to broader applications in upcoming endeavors. As SpaceX continues to push the boundaries of space exploration, the suits will likely undergo updates and modifications to meet the evolving needs of missions beyond Earth. Elon Musk has made no secret of his ambitions to explore Mars and even build a colony on the Red Planet by 2050. The SpaceX spacesuits could play a pivotal role in these future missions, offering astronauts the protection and functionality they need to survive in the harsh environments of space and other planets. During a press conference, Musk highlighted that the primary goal for the suits is to transport NASA crew to and from the space station. However, as ambitions extend to Mars and beyond, the spacesuits will likely evolve to meet the challenges of these longer, more complex missions. The journey to create these groundbreaking spacesuits was no small feat. The spacesuit has come a long way since its initial unveiling in 2018. The inspiration for the design was drawn from an unlikely source: video games like Halo and Mass Effect. These games, known for their futuristic and sleek designs, served as a creative starting point for the SpaceX team. But inspiration alone isn't enough. The suits underwent extensive testing, including an unmanned Crew Dragon test flight and a Falcon Heavy test launch, where a dummy wearing the suit provided valuable data for researchers. These tests ensured that the suits not only looked good, but also performed exceptionally well under the extreme conditions of space. SpaceX's commitment to innovation shines through in every aspect of the space suit's design. The suits were crafted with a holistic approach, where aesthetics and functionality work together seamlessly. This approach not only makes the suits more practical for astronauts, but also sparks interest in space travel among the general public. As SpaceX's Crew Dragon space suit continues to garner attention for its technological advancements and redesigned look, real-world feedback from astronauts in orbit provides invaluable insights. Elon Musk's dedication to innovation, showcased in every endeavor, has once again left an indelible mark on the space industry. Whether worn during a historic human space flight or envisioned for future Mars trips, These space suits encapsulate the spirit of innovation that defines SpaceX. They stand as a symbol of beauty that extends beyond outward appearances, capturing the essence of Elon Musk's vision for a future where style and utility coexist seamlessly in the boundless expanse of space. SpaceX's journey with these spacesuits is far from over. As we look to the future, one thing is clear. The boundaries of space exploration are continually being pushed by Elon Musk's ventures, and these state-of-the-art spacesuits are playing a pivotal role in that journey. The world is watching, and with every step SpaceX takes, we move closer to realizing the dreams of interplanetary travel and exploration. So, what do you think? Are these SpaceX space suits the key to unlocking the next frontier of space exploration? Share your thoughts, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates on the incredible advancements in space technology.